In this video, I am going to show you how to start your Amazon Fire Stick on your TV. First, make sure your Fire Stick is properly plugged into an available HDMI port on your TV. If you haven't done so already, connect the power adapter to your Fire Stick and plug it into a power outlet. Once everything is connected, turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where your Fire Stick is plugged in. You can usually do this by pressing the Input or Source button on your TV remote until you see the Fire Stick welcome screen. If this is your first time setting up the Fire Stick, you will be prompted to pair your remote. Insert the included batteries into the remote and press the Home button to pair it automatically. Once paired, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Fire Stick to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password if prompted. After connecting to Wi-Fi, sign into your Amazon account. If you don't have one, you can create a new account during the setup process. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the Fire Stick's home screen, where you can browse and download apps, access your library, and start streaming content. Finally, customize your Fire Stick settings and explore the available channels and apps to make the most of your streaming experience. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.